Hi, Startup Istanbul. I'm Ahmad. My second exit was from Careem last October. I worked there as operations manager, and today I'm part of a great team, equipped with passion and experience for one mission, which is transforming how door-to-door delivery works with the great benefits. At weDeliver, we realized serious issues for available delivery solutions in our region and other emerging markets. So that weDeliver today is the Uber for B2B last mile delivery for the region. Simply, when we say crowdsourced, this means anyone verified in our process can work with us as a driver or part of our fleet. But the more interesting thing in our model, we're crowdsourcing our warehouses. We are building a network of collection points to make it easier for our drivers to do the pickup and do the last mile delivery directly. We're in the business since January, and we are growing very well. We have 400 verified drivers on our portal, serving 260 businesses. And last September, we celebrated hitting 100,000 delivery. Our business model is simple. We get a commission out of every delivery cost. And what I love about weDeliver, that our model is really scalable, asset-light business model. So when the business places their order on our portal, one of our part-time collectors do the pickup from the businesses, ship it to one of our network of hubs, make it easier and faster for our crowdsourced drivers to make the last mile delivery. To do that, we are building technology using AI and machine learning to find the best match for every delivery, which hub and which driver to make automatic dispatching. And since January, we maintain double-digit growth, but still we're hungry. Yes, we're hungry for growth. Actually, that's why we are raising $1.2 million, half of which is already committed from UK-based VC and 2 regional VCs for market expansion and the product enhancement. We are aiming to hit 1 million delivery end of next year and 5 million delivery. And this will allow us to set the stage for our Series A. Saudi Arabia is our next market starting from next quarter, and we are exploring Turkey as a gateway for Eastern Europe too. And we already met with the potential investors and partners here. So thank you very much. It includes physical interviews, it includes the training, signing contracts, and the most important thing, signing financial guarantee. It's like a check bank. This is important because we are collecting cash. 90% of our deliveries are cash on delivery. Imagine we are handling cash in hands of crowdsourced drivers. So we built our own wallet, digital wallet, for our drivers, and the limit of your guarantee you sign is equals the limit of how much cash you can raise every week. So once you reach to that limit, the system automatically stops sending new deliveries until you pay back the money for us. So it's complicated, but we are developing it also. Now, we are enhancing this verification process. We are taking into consideration your work. For example, if you are Estonia, Startup Estonia working with us, this means your organization is reputed. So it's easier for you to be on board and part of us. If you are unemployed or your record shows before different things, so we take that into consideration. Yeah.
Well, related to that, I was going to ask any security concerns and how you eliminate, but you touched based on it a little bit, but can you open it up?
Sure. Actually, when we mention crowdsourced, this means that there is certain risks in what we do. So safety and security is one of them. And the onboarding and verification is solving that. There are other risks, by the way, for example, the insurance. We provide 3 levels of insurance for our drivers. Regulations is another issue, and our model fit most of the regulations in the MENA region and other emerging markets. Sometimes we need to customize it a bit, but we have risk right.
The CapEx in this business, is that the warehouses and the cars you don't own, right? That was the people's own. But where are the CapEx here?
Actually, at weDeliver, we build technology and we develop processes. We don't own cars, we don't hire drivers, we don't own warehouses. Everything is a crowdsource and it's commission pays for everyone. So the hub get commission, the collector get commission, and the last mile driver get also another commission. The total, we get 20 to 25 around that commission, the net commission for us.
Could you, that was my question as well, so can you go over the unit economics for yourself? So once you take the commission could you do the breakout of the unit economics for you?
Well, thank you, Ali, for the question. So out of the 100%, there is 55 for the last mile delivery, the last driver. There is 8% for the collector, 8% for the hub, and the net for weDeliver ranged between 20 and 25. It based on different criteria, the size of the package, the destination also that's going to. But I need to mention something, that we are the first in the region. We are using a model called on-the-way delivery. So the system takes into consideration the destination of the driver and match it with pending deliveries to do that. And this works fantastic, not only in urban areas, but also in rural areas, where our advantage also over the current available competitors in the market. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.